Hello students, today we will learn how to cut and paste with a digital style. In the earlier lectures, we learned that how to drag and drop or autofill your formulas or your cells. Now you can use the old standby cut, copy and paste commands to move or copy information in a worksheet. These commands use the office clipboard as a kind of electronic halfway house where the information you cut or you copy, it remains until you decide to paste it somewhere. Because of this clipboard arrangement, you can use these commands to move or copy information to any other workbook open in Excel or even to other programs running in the Windows. Now, if you want to cut the last contents of your cell, you just select them. I'm selecting it by pressing Shift plus right arrow key. It's your choice. You want to cut it by Ctrl+X or you want to have the command button in the home tab that is cut. Now select the location where you want to copy or you want to move your data to. You have selected the cell. It's your choice to press the Ctrl+V from your keyboard or paste option from the home tab into your ribbon. So in this way your cell is moved to the new location. The advantage to copying a selection with the copy and paste commands at the clipboard is that you can paste the information multiple times. Just make sure that instead of pressing enter to complete the first copy operation, you click the paste button on the home tab of the ribbon, or you can also press Ctrl+V. So these are the advantages. You can paste it at multiple lines. This is an example of using the Ctrl+V and Ctrl+X operations in your sheet. Now, when you paste anything into your new location, then there you get the paste options. Look. What is the meaning of first option, that is paste P? When you press the option paste P, it means that Excel pastes all the stuff. Excel pastes all the stuff in the cell selection. That is formulas, formatting, whatever you name it. The next one is the formulas. Next option is formulas. The option of this is Excel paste all the text, numbers and formulas in the current cell selection without their formatting. It will not copy the format of your numbers or formulas. The next one is O. It is called the formulas and number formatting. Excel pastes the number formats assigned to the copied values along with their formulas. The other option we are having is the keep source formatting. Excel copies the formatting from the original cells and pastes this into the destination cells. The other option is no bother. Excel pastes all the stuff in the cell selection without copying any border. If you are having the border into your cell and you want to copy it or paste it, then the border will not be pasted or copied from your original cells. The other option is keep source column width. Excel makes the width of the columns in the destination range the same as those in the source range when it copied their cell entries. The other is the transpose. Excel changes the orientation of the pasted entries. For example, if the original cell entries run down the rows of a single column, the transposed pasted entries will run across the columns of the single row. You can reorient your entries. The other one under paste value is value. Excel pastes only the calculated results of any formulas in the source cell range. The other one is values and number formatting. Excel pastes the calculated results of any formulas along with all the formatting assigned to the labels, values, and the formulas. The other one is values and source formatting. Excel pastes the calculated results of any formulas along with all formatting assigned to the cell range. The other one is R, that is formatting. It pastes only the formatting copied from the source cell range to the destination range. Other one is paste link. As from the name, it creates linking formulas in the destination range so that any change that you make to the entries in the cells in the source range are immediately brought forward. The other option is to copy or to paste the picture. Excel pastes only pictures in the copied cell selection. The other option is linked picture. It is used for a link to the pictures in the copied cell selection. So these all were the paste options used in our Excel sheet.